Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mickey Face. I'm excited today because I seen a tutorial on Instagram by my girl BeatsByDeb, and she did like this funky psychedelic type of situation. Anywho, your girl is gonna try to recreate that today, and so yeah, just get ready. So we're gonna go ahead and dive on into those brows and just get started. Okay, so we are done with brows, and now we are going to dive into the palettes. So I have my Be Perfect palette. This palette I have been dying to get because the colors are so pretty. It's just like, it's amazing. It's just so pretty. I haven't even used it yet, guys. So literally it's this guy here, because I'm just like obsessed, like super pressed panini about it. And then I also have my Morphe palette here, my 35B palette, because I'm just not sure what shades I'm probably going to want to dive into. But she did like a psychedelic type of situation, and yeah, I'm going to do literally like the exact same look, but I'm going to use different colors. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna start making little strokes on my eyelids with a angle brush, which is pretty much what BeatsByDeb used. So yep, that's what I'm gonna go in with. Okay, so I've gone in and applied my Rumor 2 P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I just kind of packed on 2 layers of that, just priming my eyes before I begin. To leave spaces in between for the other colors. Okay, so yeah, that part. I don't know why, but I'm getting like Thanksgiving turkey vibes, but that's neither. Okay, so now I'm going to pack in this. I'm gonna use a packer brush, and I'm going to pack some orange on my lid. and kind of like a little moon shape, a little bit. See that? Go back into my Inferno, bring that red back in because I lost it a bit. Okay, so I want that to pop just a wee bit more, so I'm going to take my Mayte Pigment Stick and on that same brush that I was applying the yellow with, dust it off, as you can see, and lightly touch this guy. So as you can see, I have tight lined my lash line. I'm not gonna put my lashes on. It's something about putting my lashes on at like the very last moment that like, it excites me. I'm gonna use my Sephora Base Amplifier Primer because there's like a glow to it. And while I'm just pale and raggedy right now, I want to use all that I can to bring a pretty glow. I've been doing a pretty good skincare routine, but yeah, no sun just doesn't make me very happy. Like, I need sun, honey. Where's that in? Trendsetter Liner, and let's get started on these lips. I don't have like the best cubic bow, so I kind of like, you know, like give me a little X and overdraw it. Let's see, there's like a nudish thing going on. This This is Morphe's Matte 800. It came in like a kit with like a liner and gloss. I think I might do the whole kit actually. Whenever my eye is really heavy, I don't really like to do like a bold lip. I just feel like it's just too much. Like, so do y'all remember when we were younger and honey, all your mom would let you get was like maybe a liner and some gloss, and we all walked around looking like this? It didn't matter what shade you were, none of that. You just the ghetto. Thank God for elevation. So I'm using this brush just to kind of smoke out my lips. I didn't know if that's the right word, but you get what I'm saying. Lost a little bit, go back with some more. Ooh, pouty. I like it. And on some gloss stuff, like heavy lately. I don't know what it's about, but it's taking over my life. Like juicy, supple lips are just, I'm just here for those right now. Just pop that in the center. I'm not gonna take it to the outskirts. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and give me some ideas about what you want to see next or what have you. So thanks for watching. Bye.